segment for PappysCorner coming up.
Thank you for coming to the corner today. I'm going to do a unboxing slash review slash install. Nothing official with any one of them, but this is an outside motion sensor security light. And I have one exactly like it. It's been out in the back of the house for probably more, I'd say 15 years. Maybe 14. It's worked great, but the motion detector part of it doesn't work. But still turn it off and on, but I like the motion detection. It's something you can have work on its own. Who wants to leave a light on all night, shining out their backyard? I'm sure the neighbors that live behind me don't appreciate spotlights shining, but anyway, here it is. I get it out of the box. This is the unboxing part of it, and it's made by Defiant. I picked it up at Home Depot. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I want to say around $30, give or take $5. Actually been sitting here in the garage all summer waiting for me to do the install. So while the weather's turning, I had a day off work. I thought I'd go ahead and do a quick install here and an unboxing and review for you. Well, this is the use and care guide. Miscellaneous screws for mounting it to the electrical. Little electrical box out there where this is going to mount. I'll go ahead and cut the foam off. I think the price on this has come down quite a bit in the last 15 years. I think the original one was more like $60, $50 to $60. So they're about half price nowadays. But you can buy just the motion sensor. But I figured by the time I go through all the rigmarole of taking it off and putting it on, I could just put up a new one for the daggum motion sensor was like $19. It's like, well, hey, spend an extra, $5-10 and get the whole unit. Comes with new bulbs and everything, so I sprung for the extra cost. Here it is. You've all probably seen these before, but when this mounts to the wall outside, you can position these to point off any direction that you like. You'll see that when I do the install. Controls here that you can use for setting sensitivity and let me see, time on, time off. So let's get her installed. I'm so glad that you get to listen to the air conditioner, but maybe it'll shut off. I don't plan on doing much talking anyway. I have caulking around here on this light that I need to cut, and I'll need to unscrew this. I haven't cut the power yet, but thought I would see what this entailed. I've got a box knife here, razor knife. Okay, I'll speed things up here so you don't get bored watching this cutting process. Hopefully this goes pretty easy. The hardest part's going to be to get the caulking break free of this unit. Once again, I'll go ahead and speed things up here as I try to muscle this thing off here, and I'll cut on it some more. That is good caulking. There, the air shut off. Actually, it's like, I think October 6th. And I use the furnace at night and the air during the day. It's that time of year here in Iowa. But it's only like It's going to get up to 80 degrees today, and I wanted to get out here and try to get some of this. I got other things I'm working on also. Okay. I don't know why it's not just popping off there. Let's try to unscrew this some more. So, just a screwing game. There we go. Yeah, that's a long, fine threaded bolt there, actually. There we go. Well, there it is. Wires are hot still, so I'm going to go in and turn off the circuit breaker to this light. So I'm going to actually just stick it up here so I can make sure I have the power off to it. Okay. Now I'm going to wire up the new one, and they give you this little, oh, it's a little plastic thing you ride up through here through the screw hole, and then it's got a little ball on the end, and there's a slot here so that you can stick this, and then it'll hold it for you while you're working on the wiring. That's pretty handy for me because my second try at this and I didn't notice that, and I was trying to hold it and wire this and dropping stuff. I did get the power shut off. Yeah, the air conditioner shut off. I readjusted the camera. Everything should be going real smooth right now, huh? You know, the housing code here in our area, you can do your own wiring, but you can't do your own plumbing. So you can burn your house down, but you can't flood it. They don't want you flooding your house. And I suppose there's a good reason for that, because insurance doesn't like to pay out a lot for flooding. But when it comes to burning your house down, insurance pretty well covers that. Oh, I get to do my own wiring here in our community, here at my home. Well, by gosh, I better not be doing any plumbing, right? According to the rules. Okay. You know, I think that little plastic thing there went, it just fell out. I was just going to leave it in there. Not hurting anything. Tucking the wires in, I just want to make sure I get them all. Not fortunate I didn't have to. Since I bought the same unit, I didn't have to screw in the mounting bracket for this that came with this. It's already there. The mounting bracket stayed the same from the one I had in before. Yeah, once I get these positioned and tightened down, I'll go ahead and throw the power and we'll see how it works. Alright. I have some Lifetime Ultra Caulking made by Red Devil. It says Premium Elastometric Acrylic Latex Sealant. Superior paintability. Mold and mildew resistant. So I like the Lifetime on there. Because this light is not going to last a lifetime. It'll last like the old one, it'll be about 15 years. And I'll go ahead and speed things up once again here as I go ahead and caulk around here. I watch a lot of videos and I know it gets boring watching a mundane task like this here, so speeding her up and you can watch me caulk this real quick. Don't mind getting a little caulking on my fingers. It washes off pretty easily. I like to make sure it's packed in there good. That's what I did last time. It's got pretty good, didn't it? Well, I got some paint. I'm going to go ahead and let that caulking dry, and then I'll paint around there. Some brown. And it gives you a little more perspective of what's going on. I've got painted around the security lights. See if the have to move around a little bit. I like these. There they go. They come on slowly. It's a nice feature. It's a bit later now, and the light starts out low, and with more motion detection, it kicks to high. There it went. So if you get up here on the patio, she'll go off. It's called the soft on, soft off, whatever. Remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.